ATS, Jammu and Kashmir Police and Lucknow Police are now conducting joint raids at several locations in Lucknow as we speak. So that's news coming in from Lucknow. Joint raids at several locations taking place in Lucknow. We're also learning about developments in Bihar. Bihar DGP has also issued a statement following the Red Fort car blast. He has confirmed that all international borders along Bihar have been shut down for the next 72 hours and joint patrolling by the state police forces is being done along the interstate borders. So that's the latest that we're picking up. Let me bring in Major PK Sehgal. Hopefully I'll be joined by my colleagues from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar as well to take us through the latest. But Major PK Sehgal, I want to understand from you, sir, and your perspective now. The Prime Minister's statement, sir, where do you think that leaves us, or rather, where do you think that's going to lead us?
We are given one set of options. I have another set of options. Pakistan is using jihadi elements. Pakistan is using all our neighbors, whether they be Bangladesh or Myanmar or Nepal, to bleed us, to try and dismantle us, to try and destabilize us, to weaken our economy. It's now high time that we go flat out to give all the assistance that is needed by the PLA as well as the Sindh Liberation Army, TTP, the Taliban, etc., and anti-Pakistani elements in POK. Pakistan will stand internally embroiled in its own juice, and they will have absolutely no time whatsoever to look towards India. And secondly, we have to use all overt and covert means to take out all the Akas, whether it be Dawood Ibrahim or Hafiz Saeed or Masood Azhar. All of them have been designated as international terrorists by the UN Security Council, and it is within our right to take them out. We can use friendly foreign intelligence agencies, we can use Mossad, we can use, as I said, all overt and covert means. There is no need for us to go to war with Pakistan. There is no need to carry out another surgical strike. This strike would be far more difficult for Pakistan to entertain or to digest. Pakistan will be broken up much earlier than what is envisaged. We don't have to weaken their army. They will stand. They'll be defeated by the BLA, by the Sindh Liberation Army, by by the TTP, the Taliban, and the people in POK. And that is the best way of dealing with Pakistan. We've shown immense patience thus far. कहते हैं जो भीख मंगा है वो या somehow the other Pakistan does not understand the value of good neighborliness, etc. For tens of years, Pakistan has been making every single effort to bleed us and inflict thousands of cuts on us, do huge amount of damage to our economy. Then he's been sending in drugs to, make our generation next affected in a very major way. All the border states, whether it's Jammu, J&K, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, all the people, border areas have been affected in a very major way.
Yes.
And the only way of dealing with Pakistan is to teach them or give them the lesson in the language that they understand the best.
All right, before I bring in Mr. Bhargav as well, let me quickly go across to my colleague Abhishek Singh, who joins us from the ground. Abhishek, what's the latest that you can share with us as far as Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are now concerned? We're learning that raids are taking place in several locations of Lucknow, and we've also learned that Bihar has decided to shut down the international borders for the next 72 hours.
Yes, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken a concern on the whole incident, and after that announced an high alert for the UP police. Also, the international border, we can say, in Nepal is on high alert and intense checking units are being deployed. Also, we are right now in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, and you can see the police combing on railway stations and bus stops. Also, the bomb squads and dog squad teams are also active here. And also, many of the places are being, the crackdown are being made by the crackdown, and the raids are being conducted by the UP ATS, because the Shaheen Shahid, the name of the doctor which came out in the whole incident, whose car was intentionally used for carrying the explosive material, and also the rifle was from Lucknow, Lal Bagh, and for these reasons now there is also the police and the intelligence unit which are being taking proper precautions, and also the checking and bomb squad and dog squad teams are being conducted. These kinds of checking and raid in whole area, we can say in the whole state, especially on the bus stops and also the railway stations, are being taken proper care. The checkings of the bomb squads and dog squads team are being conducted over here. Yes.
Okay, all right, Abhishek, stay on with me. Let me also bring in Mr. Bhargav into the conversation. Mr. Bhargav, I want to understand from you how critical will the search